Musamseleku lied to Makhumalo on season 7. He said he want to took her out. Makhumalo was waiting for Musamseleku for a long time in restaurant. Musamseleku was at Macele's house at Sea Park. Macele came to Makhumalo. Makhumalo was very shocked why Macele came at that restaurant. Musamseleku said he is coming. Musamseleku want Makhumalo and Macele to have a conversation. Musamseleku never be romantic to Makhumalo. He can be romantic to other wives, Macele, Mangwawe, Makwela, Mayeni, not Makhumalo. You know that Musamseleku, when he took Makhumalo at restaurant, even on season 9, he want to shoot the content. Behind the scene, Musamseleku, he is not being romantic, even one to Makhumalo. Now Musamseleku was complaining that Makhumalo was celebrating that guy who have got an award. Makhumalo didn't celebrate Musamseleku. People, you are blaming Makhumalo for all your reactions. Makhumalo is reacting because Musamseleku never celebrate Makhumalo, never be romantic to Makhumalo. Makhumalo is watching. Even Abongwe can post some of the videos we didn't saw on television. Musamseleku always took Macele out every time go to restaurant. Makhumalo stop even doing some of the things she was doing to Musamseleku. We saw Musamseleku was at Makhumalo's house. You see Makhumalo give Musamseleku food. We know that when they are staying in Muzumbe, when Musamseleku arrive, Makhumalo can give Musamseleku something to drink, to eat. Even we saw a video. Makhumalo was busy cooking for Musamseleku, but she stopped all those things. Musamseleku never be romantic to Makhumalo, especially it hurts here. That day, Musamseleku lied to Makhumalo that I want to took you out. And he knows that he is not coming. The person who is coming is Macele. Musamseleku is expecting those things is going to be normal. Makhumalo was counting all those things Musamseleku was doing to her. Macele cancelled the wedding. Musamseleku promised Makhumalo to take her out. And Musamseleku bring Makhumalo. You know, sometimes those things men they think maybe it's not a serious issue. It became a serious when it comes to women, because Makhumalo is watching most of the time other videos he is doing on cameras or some of the things behind the cameras. Musamseleku, when he want to take Makhumalo out at restaurant, he can discuss some of the serious things, but it's not about he is doing it for content. Makhumalo knows it. Makhumalo now on season 7 or season 10, Makhumalo, you have to stop. When Musamseleku telling her that we can go out and she knows that he want to shoot the content, Makhumalo have to refuse, because behind the cameras she knows Makhumalo that Musamseleku doesn't want to fix anything. Even Musamseleku came at Makhumalo's house. He said, we have to fix our relationship first. We are not husband and wife. What the kind of thing? Guys, we know a man who want to fix things with his wife. Musamseleku, when he is at Mayeni's house or Mangwabe's house, he can calm down. He is very calm when it comes to Mayeni and respectful. But when it comes to Makhumalo, he can raise his voice, and you can look at that person that he doesn't want to fix things. He wants drama on cameras. Maybe people will think Makhumalo is wrong. What? People were blaming Makhumalo that Makhumalo was celebrating that guy at hours, and Makhumalo doesn't do anything to Musamseleku. What? Yes, Makhumalo was right 100%. Musamseleku, guys, doesn't want even to celebrate Makhumalo, to be romantic to Makhumalo. Musamseleku never be romantic to Makhumalo. That's why I was telling Makhumalo sometimes they have to stop to attend those family trips. What? Because he want to have content. You understand? Yes, Makhumalo have to focus with their own mind now, because mine is a very big business. than to focus to a person who doesn't